Hello, this is Houston Bennett with Mobile Development Frameworks Part 2, our second week review. Um, for this one, I tried to incorporate this week's tasks and requirements into last week's app, figuring I could just add in another tab. It seemed like it was going to be fairly straightforward since the collection view is kind of just a different table view in a way. Um, but for some reason, just it's just not coming together. It did not come together at all. Something is going on when um, it gets all through this stuff. It sets the account and everything. Everything's great, and then, as you saw there, it reaches this point, jumps to the end, and then it continues to load like it's going to load in the different cells for the collection view. Everything gets granted, but everything is empty because it jumps to the cell for in item at index path before it has actually sent the request and gathered the data. I don't understand why it does that, but as you can see from me stepping through the code, it's trying to set this, this property here to the dictionary that has the users for the friends list. It's just trying to gather just those users, but the dictionary is empty because it hasn't yet sent the request and gathered the data. And eventually it just crashes. It pops back and forth between those two methods, these two methods. But see right here, boom, it's gonna crash. It tries to set the text, it's that property, but there's nothing to set it to, and it eventually just explodes. I don't understand, but it terminates because everything's empty. I don't know why. It gathers the data eventually, but when I add this part, that's when it all falls apart. I don't know why. Had I just done the easy thing and followed the example that we were given, I know that I could have had this done properly, but I wanted it all to be in one nice, neat little package and all work together under one nice little roof. And it doesn't seem to want to play with me very nicely. So I really failed this time. This one's really bad. This one's I'm at a complete loss for this one. So I'm just gonna start over tomorrow and actually do it the way that the example was shown to us, and I know that that's gonna come together easy. So that's what I get for just trying to go a little overboard, I guess. So maybe this next week I'm just gonna take it a little easier and not try to go above and beyond, I guess. So thanks you guys, and we'll check it out to next week.